All right, so in this video, I'm gonna break down the ideal campaign structure for a Google Ads campaign. It's something I just like to call search intent because everything you're building and structuring within your Google Ads campaign, you wanna keep search intent in mind. All right, so here we have a pretty good example. We got the campaign at the hierarchy, right? It's gonna be the umbrella, I call it. Within each campaign, you have ad groups. You can have as many ad groups as you want. Again, the more relevant, the more focused around search intent, the better. So we have 3 ad groups in this example. And then each ad group, though, will contain its own set of keywords as well as ads, right? So for this ad group, we would have a set of keywords, whatever that may be. Those keywords should be relevant to the ad group they're within. And then that ad should be relevant to those keywords, right? So obviously, if you're advertising roof repair, right? If this was a roof repair ad group, we wouldn't want our ad to say something like metal roofing or new roof installation, because that's not relevant to a repair. Maybe it says, you got a leak, need to get your roof repair, that sort of thing. Here's another example that I actually went ahead and broke down. So this one's going to be a roofing campaign example, right? Again, we have a hierarchy, our umbrella campaign, the roofing campaign. One of the ad groups may be generic, meaning it's just for people who are searching for roofers near me, roofing companies, roofing contractors. Now, if the keyword was Scottsdale roofing companies, you might not want to include that in this ad group. That might actually belong in a separate ad group that's specific to location. But back to this topic right here. So for the roofing generic ad group, we also have an ad. This one can really just contain any sort of ad copy since it's a generic ad. However, for the flat roofing ad group, we would have keywords specific to flat roofing, and we would want an ad copy specific to flat roofing, right? So trusted flat roofing company, Arizona flat roofing company, that sort of thing. And the landing page that goes to the ad, or the landing page that comes from that would be relevant to flat roofing. So you don't want to send someone to a landing page that talks about roof repair if the ad is about flat roofing, right? That just doesn't make sense. Obviously, you would send them to a flat roofing landing page. And then lastly, here we have roof repair, right? Roof repair ad group, roof repair keywords, roof repair relevant ad copy, and again, roof repair relevant landing page. Now let's take a look at a real example of a Google ad. So I went ahead and searched roof repair in my area, and what popped up was this perfect ad, right? It immediately calls out, fix your roof leak repair, roof repair you can trust. It's relevant to what I searched, and the description even calls out Arizona. So not only is it relevant to what I'm searching, it fits the need I have. It also tells me they're local. So I know that this is an Arizona-based roof repair company. Now, when I click through to that ad, I actually get taken to this landing page, which just really hits the nail on the hammer. The hero section, or the headline, says the most trusted roof repair team for Arizona homes. That's perfect. Not only is it hitting where am I located, which is Arizona, so it makes it known, it's also talking about the exact service I need that says roof repair. Now, if I clicked through that ad and it said something like, get your new roof today, or metal roofing for Arizona homes, I probably wouldn't fill out that form or call them because I don't need metal roofing. I don't need a new roof. I just need my roof repaired, right? So I would go ahead and just kind of take a screenshot of this or maybe write this down somewhere. Honestly, once you do it once and you build a campaign around search intent, you really just have it nailed. Like, it's just clockwork. But let me know any questions you guys have.